If you want money, provision, do istighfar. If you are drowning in debt, do istighfar. If you want a spouse, do istighfar. If your heart yearns for a child, do istighfar. If you seek protection from trials and calamities, do istighfar. If your chest feels tight with worry, if anxiety weighs you down, and if loneliness surrounds you, do istighfar. If you want strength, physical, mental, spiritual, do istighfar. And if you want all of your du'as to be accepted, do istighfar. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, whoever constantly seeks forgiveness, saying Astaghfirullah, Allah will appoint for him a way out from every distress and a relief from every anxiety, and will provide sustenance for him from where he does not expect.